Hi YouTube. Hope you're okay. Tonight's video. Lately, I have been talking a lot about TV programs. I was talking about Beyond Belief, 9911, and obviously last night I was talking about that Tonight program. And again, I'm afraid I'm going to bore you with another program topic. But this is going to be very short, because I only picked out two things. And I'm such a big observer. God, if it was anything funny, then I could have taken Harry Hill's place, but no. Anyway, as we continue. This program is on the same channel as Beyond Belief, Fact Fiction, and is another American program, because on the channel is in reality everything is just American. So it's called When Animals Attack, and basically it is what it says in the tin. It's about animals that have attacked people. So there were two things that I picked out that were wrong. This, right? Number one, there was this story about this guy being chased by two Rottweilers, and got bitten by the Rottweilers, and I think he was seriously injured. And the dogs were taken to the pound or something, and then later on the dogs are released and returned back to the owner, who probably made them vicious in the first place. Now, I'm sorry, but if a dog is going to bite another dog, it should be put down. It doesn't matter if it's the dog's fault or the owner's fault. Well, I suppose it does, but you can't prove it. The owner was just saying, no, I didn't make it vicious. The two dogs should have been put down, in my opinion, because they are a danger to society. Even if they've only done it once, they are still a danger. So that was the one thing. And then number two was, there was a keeper who was being attacked by an elephant, and there was this, because it was in like a zoo thing, and all the visitors were just gathering round, and one guy decides it would be great to start taking pictures. So he's there with his camera going, ooh, look, it looks like it's going to stand on his head. We'll get a picture of that. Wouldn't you say, help, someone's been attacked, get in there. I mean, I know the visitors wouldn't go in there themselves to get them off, but you wouldn't stand there, would you, and go, ooh, elephant attack. Put it on YouTube. You wouldn't do it, would you? No, that doesn't happen, does it? So anyway, like yesterday, I want to hear your views. As I said yesterday, I love hearing your views. So please send me your views in about this topic. Tell me what you think of the two things I have pointed out to you. About the Rottweilers. Should they be put down in your opinion or not? And the elephant attack. Try and explain to me why the hell he was taking pictures. Is that realistic? Not in my opinion. No, but maybe in yours. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now, YouTubers.